Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to hide birthday notification on Facebook. So in order to hide birthday notification on Facebook, what you're gonna do is first of all go ahead and tap on the Facebook application, and once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this. Now click on the little profile icon which is appear on the left side of the screen. Now simply tap on edit profile, scroll all the way down, and in your personal details click on edit, and there you can see edit your basic information, and there you can see your birthday is public. Your birthday is visible to everyone and everyone will be notified about your birthday. So in order to hide the notification, what you're gonna do is change the setting to only me. Doing so will help you hide your birthday notification from Facebook or on Facebook. This is how easily you can hide birthday notification on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.